Welcome to the landing page of Gyanban. On the upper right corner, you can see two buttons, Sign Up and Sign In. Click on Sign Up button to create a new account. Enter your valid email ID under Email section. Enter a strong password under Password section. Re-enter your password under Confirm Password section. And click on Sign Up button. Your account will be registered successfully. On the home page, you can see on the upper right corner, there is a Sign In button. Click on Sign In button. Enter your email ID you used during sign up and your password you used during sign up. Click on Sign In button and you will be logged in successfully. On the home page, you can see your profile on the upper right corner, hovering on which you can see your email ID you used. Click on Get Started button and you will see English and Bengali box. On the English box, you can paste your English text. Clicking on Clear All button, all the text will be vanished all at once. Click on Translate button and wait till the translated text will appear on the Bengali box. When the translated text appears, you can download it clicking on Download button as a sticky note on your system. Clicking on the Gyanban logo, you can directly reach home page and you can log out from your profile. Also, without signing in, you can use our Gyanban web app. Thank you for using our web app. Happy learning!